Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to change out your engine air filter in your 2011 Chevy Aveo. Okay, there's one, two, three, four long screws, 8mm screws holding the cover on. You just use a 1/4 inch Phillips screwdriver. Take all these out and finish that. Just push it aside. This piece here gonna touch the frame. Just push it aside a little like that. Lift it up a little, not too much. You don't want to break the boot. Okay, just lift it up a little. Take out the old filter. Clean the box if it needs to be cleaned. This is the old filter. Alright, get your new filter. This side here, the thicker side where the filter goes down. Just lift that up a little. Just slide this in like this. Make sure it seats in all the way, like that. And just push this back in and screw it down. Okay, so I put it back together. Make sure you make all the screws nice and snug. Don't over tighten them. This is plastic. If you like the video, click like, leave a comment, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching.